and take a look at the 2019 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, floor mats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.